Hey, what's up ninjas? Merry Christmas to you. So 2017 CPA exam updates, we will cover them in order from least amount of changes to most amount of changes, and we'll hopefully do so very quickly. All right, so 2017 BEC. There are no updates for 2017 BEC. If you have 2016 BEC, you should be good to go. Please know that in Q2 of 2017, BEC is getting simulation. So you want to pass that in Q1 2017, if at all possible. Secondly, regulation. Regulation doesn't have any changes except the AICPA is no longer testing Dodd-Frank. So if your materials have Dodd-Frank and if they're not updated, you can go ahead and ignore that. Yay. Auditing. So SAS 130, SAS 131, and some PC AOB stuff. SAS 130 says that basically an auditor has to issue a report on internal control. That is now required, and I believe SAS 131 says that if a client wants their books audited using PC AOB standards, that's fine. However, the auditor, if they don't fall under the jurisdiction of the PC AOB, then you still have to follow GAS, and you have to state in the report that it was also the audit was conducted in accordance with GAS. And then the PC AOB standards, they kind of just tweaked a few things. It's not that big of a deal. All right, moving on to FAR, which is an even bigger deal. Let's see. Deferred taxes. So deferred tax assets and deferred tax liabilities. Previously, they were all, you had current and non-current. Now they are all non-current. And inventory. So as part of the simplification initiative, if a company uses LIFO or the retail method, then you must use the lower of cost or market. Remember that the downtown market is the LIFO, the city, and they engage in retail transactions. Everything else, FIFO, weighted average, and every other measurement under the sun uses lower of cost or net realizable value. So that is an important distinction that you need to know for exam day. And see, one other update. If an entity begins using the equity method, so their investment is above 21%, and they need to now switch to the equity method, you do not restate the prior periods. You account for it prospectively going forward. So I hope this has been helpful. I think that pretty much covers the 2017 CPA exam updates. Click below this video and I will have a download so you can download all of the updates and have them for yourself, and they are free. Merry Christmas everyone, and have a great 2017.